Hey there, check out the Beast 40 ounces Tumbler, a stainless steel vacuum insulated cup designed for ultimate beverage enjoyment. This huge 40-ounce tumbler keeps your drinks hot or cold for hours thanks to its double-wall insulation technology. It comes with a bonus bundle including 2 unbreakable straws, a straw brush, and an upgraded pop-up lid for easy cleaning. Crafted from premium 304 and 18/8 food-grade stainless steel, it features a powder-coated exterior and an electro-polished interior for a pure taste every time. The splash-proof, closable lid ensures your drink stays protected and spill-free on the go. With a lifetime guarantee and unmatched durability, this tumbler is built to last and outperform other tumblers. Say goodbye to cheap plastic cups and enjoy your beverages the way they were meant to be enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.